What's the meaning of any questions? Any questions? Any questions? Any questions? Any questions? Any questions?
Any questions is a phrase commonly used to solicit queries or clarifications from an audience, usually at the end of a presentation or lecture. The speaker intends to provide an opportunity for listeners to seek clarification, expand on topics, or offer their insights. This question signals the end of the speaker's transmission and prompts the audience to engage in dialogue or discussion. It's important to ask questions to achieve a deeper understanding of the topic and ensure effective communication between the speaker and the audience.